Configuring ProGet to automatically scan third-party open-source packages and container images for vulnerabilities is simple and straightforward. In this video, we'll look at how to scan and assess vulnerabilities at a feed level, and then use the policies page to block any packages that are vulnerable or haven't been assessed as safe for production across all feeds. Okay, let's get started by setting up vulnerability blocking on a feed. It's usually on by default, but worth double checking. We'll head over to the feeds page and choose one. For this demo, we'll go ahead and choose public NuGet. From here, we'll go to its properties. Now we'll go down to other settings and change its features. Here, we'll make sure vulnerabilities is turned on and save to finish. Now that that's enabled, our packages are ready to be scanned and assessed. Let's head back to our feed. Newtonsoft JSON 1203 is known to have vulnerabilities, so we'll go ahead and use that for demo purposes. And as we can see, our package contains vulnerabilities. So to get more info and assess it, we'll go to vulnerabilities and its title. From here, we can see a description and more details of the vulnerability, as well as a link to its Inedo Security Labs page. Alright, let's head back to our vulnerability page and assess it. Now we'll pick an assessment type. ProGet comes with 3 built-in options. We'll go with blocked for this demo and add a comment. And to finish, we'll save. Now, if we go back to our package, we can see that it's been blocked and prevented from downloading. Aside from configuring compliance policies at a feed level, you can also set global rules to block any package with unassessed vulnerabilities across all feeds. To do this, we'll head over to the Administration Overview page, Package Policies and Rules, and Edit. Next, we'll edit Vulnerability Rules. And finally, let's set it to non-compliant and save. Now with our rules set, any package with an unassessed vulnerability is blocked from being downloaded. Good stuff, and nice job on scanning and blocking packages in ProGet.